Hello everyone, it's been a while since I've been here or posted any videos. Just stopping by to let you know that this month Hotmart is doing a Black November and I've decided to give you a 50% discount in all my courses, okay? So if you want to learn how to configure your Nokia OLT and also join our community that expands the course's content, okay? I will leave the links to the English and Portuguese versions of the course here in the video description, okay? Or in the cards that appears here somewhere in the video, okay? So this promotion it's for a limited time, so don't waste any time and join us. And it's really for a limited time, okay, guys? It's not a trash talk. It's really for a limited time. And I don't know how long it will take, but it's really for a limited time. So join us as soon as possible. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Will also leave my email here in the description. So if you have any questions about the content of the course, the all the course content is it's in the link also. But if you have any questions about the course, about the community that we have, feel free to reach me out in my email. Okay, and that's it, guys. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.